Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to get moving backgrounds on iPhone. Here are the steps to get moving backgrounds, live or dynamic wallpapers. First, check iPhone compatibility. Live wallpapers work on iPhones with 3D touch or haptic touch. iPhone 6s and later, except iPhone SE first generation. Dynamic wallpapers work on all iPhones with iOS 7 and later. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install the latest iOS version for the newest wallpaper features. Go to Wallpaper Settings by opening Settings, Wallpaper, then tap Add New Wallpaper. Go to Photos, go to Albums, then choose Live Photos. Pick a live photo to use as moving background. Enable Live Photo option. Make sure the Live Photo option is turned on before setting it. Set Wallpaper. Tap Add, then Set and choose Set Lock Screen. Set Wallpaper Pair. Note, live wallpapers animate only on the lock screen when you press and hold. Test the live wallpaper. Lock your iPhone, then press and hold the lock screen to see the animation. Next method, download live wallpapers from the App Store. Then search for apps like Live Wallpapers or Zedge app. Once installed, tap Open. Now go to Discover, then go to Live Photos section. Then tap to choose your preferred live wallpaper. Save as live photo. Tap the download icon. Set downloaded live wallpaper by going to Settings, Wallpaper, Add New Wallpaper. Go to Albums, then go to Photos. There, scroll and tap Live Photos. Select your downloaded animation. Tap Add in the top right and tap Set as Wallpaper Pair. Check Low Power Mode. Live wallpapers may not work when low power mode is enabled. Go to Settings, Battery, and turn off Low Power Mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.